You're winning. I'm trying to turn off the sound on my side. No, it's fine. You guys gonna hear me taking trades, I guess. Oh shit, this is definitely a buy, eh? Alright, I got you.
It's live, yeah?
Yeah. So you need to be on YouTube too, right?
No, you don't have to be. You'll see the delay though.
That's fine.
All right. Man, look at this. Look at this daily candle on pound yen. It's ridiculous. How big was
I
this
was
gap?
hoping we to fill that gap. Boy, I was gonna go full margin.
Look, 160 pips. Yo, H. Long time. I'm actually in a Zoom, you know. Let me send you the link. Where you at? That's sure. Alright, so yeah, pound yen. I kind of want it to push up. I'm not gonna lie. I kind of want the buyers. I don't know how much further it's going, but it's obviously led by the fundamentals, innit? It's obviously led by the fundamentals, but yeah, I want this gap to be filled. And the thing is, the supports are still creating higher lows, so it's still quite bullish. 4 hours weak bullish. Kind of bounced off a 4 hour support, but if it reflips and breaks its own low, I think it will push further down. See, now the 30-minute was ranging, then we closed below, but there's a lot of support levels down here, and we closed back above Asian high, so I think we fill this range, but I'm not sure how far it goes today.
I think we might have missed gold price, eh?
Gold, man. Yeah. The closure above. The gold buys are perfect. Damn. You know, it might not be too late. If it pulls back to this entry, if it pulls back to like 10 pips, I'll get in again. I'll definitely get in again. What's the daily looking like? I see a gap as well.
Gold buys.
Yes. Missed the entry, man. Too busy looking at bloody pound yen.
I was looking at 2804 potentially.
2804. You like the 15, innit? Why 20? What, the candle flip? Where's that?
Yeah, literally when it engulfed the closure above the top wick.
Okay.
On the 30. That's what I'm looking to get in. But then the next resistance is at 808, so it's only like 40 pips.
Yeah, I'll take that, man. 40 pips is a good range for gold. It's a good range. That's a good. Oh, look at it, it's gone. Buy gold. Yeah. Buy gold.
No, man. I might just jump in just for a little. It's a little bit
snap some 10 pips.
Snap some, yeah. On a high.
Yeah, this thing's gonna keep pushing.
Yeah, it's gone.
It's a 4-hour resistance here. Drop that a little bit. But yeah, I'm just gonna wait it out then. Wait it out. I can't even see any buys on or anything on pound yen anyway. Not inside this range. But gold would have definitely been the move. Okay, Benny's in gold. Of course he is. Of course he is. Did you see the gap last night, H?
No.
Mate.
Oh yeah, between
2797
and 280.
Right.
800. It was mad.
Bruh, everything. Look at GJ's gap is crazy. Look at that. 160 pips.
Oh.
Mental.
This just took off literally in the space of like 2 minutes.
Cold, innit? Shit. Shoot, that would have been a good. Look at that, 34 pips.
Yeah.
Shit.
Should we put an all-time high?
You think it's gonna make a new high again? It could do, man. It could do. Look. Looks like dollar's gonna fill this wick, so we might get some wick fills. I mean, some gaps filled today. Could get some gaps filled today.
Well, this thing is, I actually like put this trade on my trading view.
What do you mean?
Like, the open position.
Yeah.
I literally clicked it and I was like, yeah, this is where I'd get in, and it was there. And then it came down to make the bottom wick, and I was like, all right, cool. And then I was typing on YouTube.
Oh shit.
I was like, no.
See, normally I try to start before the 30-minute candle. But I didn't even see this setup, I'll be honest. I was doing some other stuff. So I just missed it.
It's all good, man.
Hey Anna, what's up? I don't know if gold continues. I don't know. I think it might, retest the resistance and then pull back.
Hope so. Because I had a mad week last week.
Last week was... I caught some nice gold trades actually last week.
On Friday, she wasn't saying it.
Oh, Friday I caught a nice week, yeah. Yeah.
Proper closure for the week.
Oh yes. Listen, when gold is bullish, you just hit buy and that's it.
Yeah.
So there's a kid that...
I think it was Monday.
Yeah.
We was on a mad high.
Mm-hmm.
No, we was low, sorry. And I literally... I went in for a buy and it went in... I got up like 20 pips, but I held, didn't it?
Yeah.
It literally just sold the whole day.
Monday?
I think it was Monday or Tuesday. Like all day it was just pure red candles. It sold the whole day, and I was just like,
oh yeah.
I got slapped with that. I didn't even go back into the trade. I got margin called, everything.
No.
Yeah. And then I tried to get back in. I think it was Thursday, and I was like, right, I'm gonna get into a sell. And it just took off and hit all the time like.
No.
But it wasn't, so it wasn't that much of a big loss, but I said, you know what, I'm just going to go again next week.
But what would make you sell when the candle's like, because I remember it just pushed straight up. Thursday was the day we was talking about. It just took off.
Yeah, there was no, I think it was the no bottom wick that done me. I was thinking, nah, surely like it needs to come back and make a wick. And it just didn't come
so
back.
So what are you using for confirmations? What are you using to say, all right, price is going to come down now?
Let me go back to Thursday.
Because Thursday was just
Yeah, it was. I think I did it really early on as well. Wait, let me check my history. I'll see what date I did that trade on. It was in the morning UK session.
Yeah, this shit was just going up, bruh. This shit was just...
I think it was after that consolidation. I think must have been. But yeah, I was
Yeah, this and I was hitting buys all the way up. I was hitting buys. Well, that's when I said I wanted it to hit 2785, right?
Mm.
Yeah. Once it got this closure above here, I was like, yeah. And gold's going up, mate. And I should have ridden it all the way up.
I was getting fried on Friday, boy. On Thursday, I was like, you know what? Next week's a new week. Let me chill out.
Yeah, I think you need some confirmation, man. You need some solid reasons to sell. Not just because it's high. Do you know what I mean? Because even now...
where I was scalping as well, like the week before, I made like quite a good week of scalping. It was literally like selling from like resistance and buying from support literally the whole week. And price action last week was just a bit mad. Because it was just like out of nowhere, just bullish.
You think it was out of nowhere?
Yeah, do you know what I think it is? I think in my head I just feel like Trump coming into power is supposed to be bearish for gold, and it's just doing the complete opposite.
So initially, that's what I was thinking, but at the same time, you've got to look at what actually moves gold and why people are buying it. So Trump coming into power is supposed to increase inflation, which everyone is afraid of. Do you know what I mean? The US dollar is supposed... If the US dollar is too high, then all prices are going to be high. That's the problem. But US dollar is a safe haven. It's a safe haven currency. So is the yen, but so is gold. So gold is a safe haven, or it's a hedge against inflation. So that's what people are putting their money into as well. You've got all these other... Go on.
When there's like uncertainty in the market, a lot of people buy gold.
Exactly. So the uncertainty is bringing the money into gold. So once you realize that, not to say gold won't fall, but yeah, right now it's like the safest bet.
Yeah, compared to crypto.
Exactly. So yeah, I'm thinking gold's gonna hit 3,000 like by summertime. I don't even think end of the year. I think 3,000 is coming soon.
I believe that.
I think it's coming soon.
3,000.
Yeah, 3,000 is nothing. What's that? 2,000 pips. That's light work. 100%. I mean, what was last month's candle? Look at this. That's nothing. Look at last month. Last month was 1,700 pips. That's in 1 month.
Yeah. Did you see the gap on USD CAD over the weekend because of what Trump did to Canada? That shit is insane.
Yeah, I saw it. I saw it today. Mad gap. I saw the Canadian president talking about Americans, you need us, we need you. There's no point appealing to the Americans. They can't do nothing. They can't help you. You better speak to Trump. Look at this gap too. Everything just gap.
Smart.
190 pips, maybe 200 pips.
Surely will come down and close that at some stage, yeah?
Has to. And when I say close, what I want to see is a body. I want to see a candle body like fill this range, or a couple candle bodies. Do you know what I mean? So there's no gap. It's candles. Because right now, like on pound yen, it looks like the gap has been filled because we've pushed up, but it's not all the way up. But no, I want to see a whole body, or I want to see a few candles close it up. So yeah, that's what I'm looking for to happen. I mean, it doesn't look like it wants to push down much more, to be fair, but I don't know how much it wants to push up. The gold move though, man. I think Benny said he caught it. Yeah, I said I think so too. 3,000 by someone. That's it. Everyone just buy gold now. Fuck it. Just buy it. Let's just push this shit.
I might just leave 0.01 in there and just
Let it run. Yeah, man, full margin, bro. Nah, not really. I need to stop saying that, I swear.
Yeah, gold is like one of that steam in the minute though. Seems to be a strong resistance.
Yeah, this is a 4-hour resistance here, my yellow line.
Mm.
But it could wick and then come down. So I'm just gonna wait for this candle to close. If I get a resistance up here somewhere, then I'm looking for sells. If it closes above in the next 12 minutes, I'm going in for buyers. Damn right. Damn right. Nothing to the left.
Same as last week Friday, eh?
Yes, exactly. So there's this guy, our mentor, yeah, and I had him doing some back testing on gold and pound yen, but then I also had him doing some like live testing. I was like, all right, when you're finished with what you're doing, hey Sharon, so when you're finished with what you're doing, after school, after work, then just just take trades like you would if you was actually trading. So he got into some buys on gold on Friday, and it was literally just buy, hit TP, buy, hit TP, buy, hit TP. That's all he was doing. 30 pips, 30 pips, 30, all the way up on Friday. And he got about 3 or 4 trades, 30 pips, 30 pips, 30 pips, just hitting buy on gold on Friday. Yep. But then I was saying to him, what do you do if price is bullish? Like, what's another way rather than keep opening and closing trades? You just have to trail your stop loss. Trail your stop below every candle. Add positions, move it up. Because you've got nothing to the left. You don't know where it's going to stop. Nothing there. So, yeah.
GJ might buy also.
GJ.
Because I don't think there's a way GJ is going to go down because of the support on the left. So there's a chance it might buy.
Yeah, so many supports right here.
Yeah. Or maybe it's going to range. But going down is not going to go down.
Yeah, if GJ breaks, I'll save it. No, get rid of that one. If it closes back above here, I'm looking for some buyers. If it closes above this resistance, yeah. Looking for some buyers up. Yeah, man, gold's close above 2812. Sharon, what are you looking for? You know, she calls the moves like way before they happen. Like that indicator, I put it up, but I don't use it. This is the one she uses. So I believe going by this, because it looks for the volume, it comes to retest. So I would interpret this as gold will come back down because this is where the volume is. I don't know. Need to back test it. I just can't really be bothered to use indicators, to be fair. Giving yourself a haircut, H?
No, I don't know what that noise was.
I told myself I'm never getting that 3 weeks. That's going to get too complicated.
What, indicators?
Yeah.
Yeah, no, I hear it. I still have my old indicator set up though. It's... yeah, my EMAs. And I used to use them.
Still got my EMAs up.
Yeah, this is back in the day. So what I would do now is if it pulled up, like this here would have been perfect. Tapped it, closed below, next candle bearish, I would have been in, like right here. That would have been the trade. I'd have gone like that, bam, and then just down.
Really nice.
I'm telling you, but let me not get tempted. Let me not get tempted. But yeah, that's how I would use it. It's good for pullbacks. Obviously, you can identify a trend, but yeah, it's good for pullback, where price will pull back to. But then at the same time, there's already a resistance here. It was already a key level here. This price made a higher low and it continued down. So you can still see the same move without the EMA anyway. Because that move would have just been a lower high, resistance formed, sell, bam. Ooh, is gold gonna hold? If gold holds at this 4-hour resistance, I like it a lot. I like it a lot.
You can sell from there.
Yeah, but I still need a resistance to form though. You know me. I need a resistance. I couldn't just like sell from here. So I'd have to probably wait for the next 30-minute candle to close bearish and then get in, like retrace this move up.
Yeah.
Yeah, that would make sense.
Yeah.
Drop back into Asian.
Yes. Yeah. Yeah, that's how I'll do it.
What do you think Trump have in store for you guys?
What'd you say?
What do you think Trump have in store for the UK?
Trump. Well, he wants to do tariffs on all the EU, innit? But we're not part of the EU, so that shouldn't really affect us. We should have our own. We should be making our own deal with Trump. I don't think we're classed as part of. No, because we're not in the European Union no more, are we? So all these EU tariffs he's doing, they need to drop us out, mate.
You got like 40% coming over and
Nah, man, he'll be nice to us. He loves the UK. He don't like them French and Germans, because that's one of the things that he was complaining about with, was it NATO? How these countries, like the USA pays the most.
Yeah.
The US pays the most, but like countries like France and Germany and that, they don't really pay as much. So yeah, that's their problem.
Makes sense.
Can you still see my screen, or is it not sharing?
No, I can still see it.
Okay.
I can still see it.
Yeah. What's up, gang? Trump loves the beans and toast. Fuck off. These guys, yeah. I swear Americans think all we eat is beans on toast, you know. That is funny. Could be trying to get in. Let's see, Goldie push. But yeah, no, Trump is gonna be it's gonna be amusing, definitely. But you can't. I mean, he can slap tariffs on everyone, but it's gonna have a knock-on effect. Alright, gold might not close right there, but pound yen, only 10 pips for the closure above. So wait, I want to see, what's the stock market doing then if the dollar's push like that? This might not be good for the stock market. Oh no, it's not. Oh shoot. Damn. Wow. So what's crypto doing then? Yep. Jesus. Oh my god. Trump is a problem. Trump is a problem. He's not even good for crypto at this point. Look at that. Drop. Alright, GJ, close your buff coming. But the dailies flip bullish again on pound yen. What are we thinking, chat? We think gold's gonna make new highs today? What are we thinking? Stock market's been trash since last night. Yep. As soon as everything gapped, that's it. Whatever. Once that USD went up, everything else is gonna come down against it. So everyone thinks gold's gonna push up today. Okay. It's not gonna give the closure above, and then it's gonna push up and then just fly. Go on, GJ, push. Pound yen closure above. Oh no. So close. Investors are very nervous. I can imagine when you got a president and everything is very uncertain. You don't know how to play the market, do you? But I would say, buy this dip. Buy this dip. Every time it dips, I like the S&P. It's an old friend of mine. Yeah, S&P looks good, man. It doesn't look good, as in the sell off, but it looks good to buy from a better price. You don't want to buy at the highs. I keep forgetting I need to send my auntie the link to a trading app. So I can buy her stocks. It's a good time now. So no bottom wick on gold, or it is tiny. DJ's gonna push through this clean range, you know. Caswell, would this be an impulse entry? Where's he going? Oh, he's gone. Must have some work stuff to do. Yeah, pound yen was the one. Cool.
Yeah, close above for GJ. Definitely taking
I
buy.
was asking if this was an impulse entry, taking a buy after this one.
Nice, not. Nah. Hell.
Okay. I'm telling you, I need a breakdown of those, you know. So like, where would be an impulse entry? Would this down here, if you took a buy here, would that be an impulse entry?
Go to the 1 hour. To the 1 hour on the chart. Yeah, you see that?
Here.
As it breaks the bearish candle.
Okay.
Going to pass, but still on the 1 hour. On the 1 hour, it never really go my way. But if it was the same setup, it was on the 30 minutes.
Yeah.
I would not take buys definitely.
Okay. So it's always like, for buyers, it's after a bearish candle.
Yeah.
Cool.
So basically, like, it creates a resistance. After the break of that resistance, immediately take buys.
Cool.
Yeah.
We need to do another simulation.
Yeah, most definitely. But I've been simulating gold recently, so.
Hey, I don't mind. You know, I'll trade both. That's all good. It don't matter to me. I'm just glad you're back on. I'm glad you're with us on the gold side now. That's good.
The pips, though, they have like a high pip value.
Yes. That's what's so good about it. That's why people make more money off gold, because, you know, you can also get smacked, but obviously, you know, it pays well.
Yeah.
Oh, GJ's pushing.
I'll be taking 1% in gold.
1%?
Yeah.
Nah, yeah, it's better to be safe. Big stop losses.
Huh?
You have to be safe. It's big stop losses, and it moves quick.
Yeah.
You can't not have a stop loss on gold, but it's dangerous. Oh yeah, GJ's gone. There's no way I could have got a... If I used a 1 hour, possibly a closure above, would have been a good trade.
Yeah, I was thinking the same, Mitchell, but I was not really confident in the 1 hour. Because the 1 hour sometimes, even though it's a strong confirmation, but sometimes I need the 30 and the 1 hour.
Yeah, same. I definitely prefer the 30-minute. Definitely prefer the 30-minute.
Yeah, you see now, I told you not to put the gap in analyzation. If we miss this trade now,
so we're waiting for another closure above now.
Yeah, for the gap above the resistance. Because this might fly.
Oh man, I hope it don't fly, man. Please don't fly.
So 13, then from there we might get the gap.
Yeah, not even here. I kind of want a closure above here, because it's like back in this range. Well, it's a big push. But then I'm also cautious of like price making lower highs. So I don't want it to push up, retest, and then come back down again, because it could happen too.
You know, yeah, we have seen it like reject an either like 4 or 5 times.
Friday was some, I don't even want to swear, but Friday was some BS. Because this is the closure above I was waiting for the whole day, right here. This closure. You know what I was saying for GJ buys?
Yeah.
On Friday, what I was looking for, I think it's gonna push up.
Sales for GG.
The sells back down were nice, but these are the buys that I was looking for. It dropped, it retested this support, and then closed above 4 o'clock, and then pushed up. This
See the sells back before.
Oh, here, down here.
Yeah. Instead of taking the sells, I went for gold buys. Based on the 50. Yes. Fucking. Not in a trade. But I think I closed on break even.
Okay. That's not too bad then. Not too bad. You know what, let me clean this up because it just looks like it's in the way. How was USD CAD doing? It's still pushing. No, it's coming back down, isn't it? Oh, it's spiked down too. Oh, that don't look good. Look at that drop. Yeah, I ain't touching this ever. What? 80 pip drop? Yeah, no thanks.
Yeah, it's trying to fill the gap. Gaps always get filled, eh?
Yes, they do.
If you see a gap, go full margin. People in the chat, if you see a gap.
Don't tell people that. Go full margin. But it's definitely something to look out for. That gold, the gap needs to get filled. That's for sure.
Gold doesn't have a gap, right?
Yeah, gold has a gap. Gold has a gap.
I don't see one on my side.
You see it, look.
Oh, yeah.
So from 197 to 38.
Is it like you know? Did it get filled by the week with get filled the week?
See, I don't call this a wick. I need a candle to close, filling the gap.
Oh, okay.
That's what I like to see. But to be honest, I like to see it on the lower time frame. So it kind of has filled the gap. I don't know if it's come all the way down. But like pound yen definitely hasn't. We've got no candles coming through the gap. That's what I want. But yeah, gold. I think gold probably has. And he said, no thanks, no full margin. No full margin. Okay, GJ, come on, push. But you know what? Pound yen has been pushing 10, 20 pips very quickly recently. So there's been a lot of volume.
Trump, man. Send me the Trump. I'm telling you. And I think it's the money in the US. You might just wake up, type some shit, and go back to sleep.
Oh, I didn't even see your message saying be right back.
You know what's the worst thing? Like trading and waking at the same time. That shit is so worst.
And there's no news today, so I need to update my whiteboard. But from Tuesday on, from tomorrow onwards, it's just news every day. And then Thursday, got Bank of England interest rates. That's going to be a big one. That might actually be bearish for pound because they're reducing the rates.
NFP on Friday.
NFP on Friday too.
Yeah, this one is gonna be insane for some reason.
Yeah. think we'll have a lot happening before then anyway. It's going to be a busy week.
Buy on the other, sell on the other.
Yeah.
If I get a spy, it's fun.
Okay, Panya's going to take its time to push up. You can feel it.
It's like 40 pips now, so if you do take buys, let's say it closes like this,
Yeah.
and it's have like a 40 pip stop loss.
What, on pound yen? Is that how big it is?
Yeah,
Crazy.
yeah.
So, I mean, the candles don't even look like they're that big until you measure it, and then you think, flipping hell, it's huge. Let's see gold. Ooh, gold continuation maybe. Still got 15 minutes.
I think gold might close. Those rejection makes might keep gold back. It's gonna have a difficult time breaking that resistance. So I
Yeah,
think
but you see when it breaks, you see when these wicks get broken, gold is going to Mars, not even to the moon. It's gone.
yeah, but he's gonna have a tough time breaking this.
Goldie, Goldie, Goldie.
So what do you need for self-make a bearish closure?
Yes, I need a resistance. Ideally, I want this resistance to be respected on gold, this 2812 area, or the candle to close below like this yellow line, which is a 4-hour resistance. So yeah, if it closes below here in the next hour, the new 4-hour candle will be opening. I'm definitely looking for sales.
Makes sense. So if it closes above the resistance bias, right?
If it what?
If it closes above the resistance.
Oh, bias. Full margin. Nah, let me stop saying that. But yeah, bias. Yeah, definitely. Do you know what? GJ.
Yeah, he is going for the gap fill.
Excellent.
So it left us now.
It did, didn't it? I need to start looking for some different entries, man. Because look, down here would have been a good entry. Support formed. at another support as well. It's like a double confirmation. That entry there, I would have gone all the way up, to be fair.
Problem is, at that time, it looked dirty though. Now it looks clean because it created this.
Yeah, after the move has happened, it looks like a clean move, right? But yeah, look, that would have been nice. Nice. Up 60, 70 pips right now.
We missed two moves so far. The one on gold earlier, and now on GJ.
I know. But I was looking for GJ here as well, but that didn't come. This closure above would have been good.
I'll be back, Mickey.
Yeah. You want to add another position on gold? Oh yeah, you got in like down here, right? Yep. If I get a closure above in the next, 9 minutes? I'm right behind you. Right behind you. I'll be taking my first position. Oh man, I need some lunch. Did it hit that downtrend line? Let me see. Not even close. Oh, might have hit it on the 1 hour. It did. That's gonna be a slow push up for GJ. Okay, gold's taking his time to push. Pound yen's pulling back. How big is this pullback? I don't want it to leave a long rejection wick. 26 pips. Hey. GJ volume. Oh, stay above 191. Come on. You're doing so well. So well.
I think we might get a continuation pattern on the 15.
For what? Gold? Or GJ?
Yeah.
Yeah, if it pushes back up.
And after that, you're gonna have like a 30 pip range.
Oh. 85. I want it to go all the way up. Would you enter on the M15? What will be a 30-minute entry as well, wouldn't it? Break of the high, I guess.
Yeah, it's gonna be a 30 minutes, but the confirmation is gonna be the
15, yeah.
Yeah. But still, also a closure above, but it closed a bit higher than expected.
True. Let's see, 4 minutes.
Yeah, good progress for our listeners.
It did. It did. We might get a continuation pattern. But the thing is with this pattern, yeah, is sometimes it could be a continuation pattern, but sometimes it could be the start of a reversal pattern. Because you know there's like a three candle pattern, which is a reversal. So you have a strong bullish candle, a weak bearish one, and then a strong bearish candle. That's a reversal pattern as well. So it depends on, well, I guess if we break the high.
What's happening depends on the momentum. If we have a strong momentum. But most of the time, like you see, look at the 1 hour on gold. It creates a similar pattern like the bearish one before this but I think if it's not like if it's like closer to the resistance, it might go down. But if it's in the middle of like a range, there's a high chance it might go up, I guess. So I don't know. You see, like so what's the purpose of a doji? Is it a rejection candle or continuation pattern?
That's the thing, it could be both.
Could be both.
Yeah, because it's indecision, isn't it?
Yeah.
That's the problem. It's an indecision candle. It's like, is it going up? Is it going down? You kind of don't know until the candle after. Oh, we might get a closure above 10 pips, 2 minutes. So we breaking the high. My thing is all of these bullish candles. Oh, look, it's a 15-minute continuation pattern on gold too.
Fuck it. I need a closure above.
Above the resistance, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I can't. The 15-minute, yeah, it's traumatized me because I've tried it, and when I do try it, it doesn't work. So I've learned from that.
Manny gets them right all the time. 15 minutes entries on gold. Oh.
Man, yeah, that's his time frame. But he also takes like small L's because he's using the 15. Sometimes, hits and break even. I keep track. It's not always great. But when it works, it works. He gets a lower entry, which is good. You said it's true. A lot of break evens. Yeah, I know.
So what do you think about GBPJPY right now?
Yes.
Is it like past our entry or? Because I mean,
We've got see, the only thing I don't like about it is these highs here. The only thing I don't like is this, the lower highs. I don't like it. That's my only thing with pound yen. If I was taking an entry down here because the next resistance is like kind of far away, I loved it. If I got that closure, it would have been, look, 70 pips. But here now, obviously this is the next resistance, isn't it? It is the first area of potentially closing partials. So I kind of want a closure above 19164 up here. I know it's a bit further away, but it's safer.
Fair enough. Now the 15 created a continuation pattern.
Oh, it looks good. Don't tempt me with this 15-minute, man. Look, it's that 32 pip range. I mean, stop loss. Wow, but look, the TP, the next resistance, it's less than 1-to-1. 35 to the top of the range, though. I'm curious. I want to see how it works anyway. Let me see how it plays out. What did gold do?
I might go in, Might.
The continuation pattern of gold is on the 15 is more effective if it happens on the 30. Exactly that. I'm trying to read the chat as well.
So what's the candle called, the one that you created right now? On the 30 of gold?
But this one here?
Yeah, because mine is so small, like you can't see the body of it.
Yeah, it's a doji. It's a doji for sure. Oh, it's gonna break it, isn't it? It's gonna break the high and just keep pushing up. Bernie said he's taking the M15 break of the high. I bet he is.
Do you have a bottom wick on your GJ?
Yeah, but it's tiny. But it's there. Look, see it? It's definitely there. Just very small. But yeah, either way, if it breaks this high, there's obviously a high probability it'll continue up. It's breaking a 30-minute high too. See what I mean with gold? But it could just be creating a bottom wick. DXY is ranging. GJ. I wouldn't even take buys on gold just yet anyway, because it's right into this resistance. But yeah, like I said, if this 30-minute candle closes below this resistance here, could get a 4-hour double top, push back down. So that's what I'm looking out for.
Oh shit, really the about to enter.
Yep.
Doesn't play around that, man.
Not with the 15-minute time frame. Definitely not. I mean, yeah, 15-minute continuations work. Look, it didn't work here. This looked like it would have been a continuation pattern down here. I think it looked like that on the 30-minute too. Yeah, look. 30-minute continuation, but it didn't break the high. So it came back down. But here it worked nice. And yeah, here it might. On the other side coming down, it worked nice. So yeah, it does work on the 15-minute. I'm asking my friend, she uses RSI. I want to see if she can check for divergence. She catches good reversals. Gold's not doing nothing. I think pound yen might be the move. I'm gonna paper trade it with Benny. See if it works out.
So now, if gold closes bearish, right?
Yes.
The
Yeah.
previous support is gonna be ignored, right? Going to continue further down till 2794.
Yes. Yeah. So this. Oh yeah, that's kind of invalid now. So yeah, I'll be looking for sells all the way back through this range. If we get a nice resistance here, break the low, continue the pullback. Well, my friend said she can see divergence building up on gold. That's what I like to hear. Sells, sells, sells. Sells, sells, sells. Come on, GJ, break the high. So it's got to break 29. Gold sales will be juicy. Yes, they would. They would. Alright, GJ is about to push up. So this is a paper trade, I'm not actually taking it. But I do want to see how it works out. I think stop loss probably below the entry candle. That's the only way I could get a smaller stop loss. To have at least a 1-to-1. Down here is too much. Let's listen to this voice note quick, 1 sec. Okay, GJ is not breaking this high, is it? Pulled right back. Yeah, it's not looking so good now. It's not looking so good.
Yeah, it's about to close now.
Yeah, it's not looking good.
Kind of creating rejection candles on the 15. If it closes like this, I think the price might be invalid.
Oh yeah, definitely. It's not looking good. Like I said, I wouldn't. I don't want them until we close above here anyway. So anything below here is just, yeah. Like this move would have been perfect. That's like 40 pips from here. We've got a closure above. Yeah, look, 44 pips. I would have been good with that. Done for the day. But the good thing is we're still respecting previous lows. So the candles are still trending bullish. Gee, gold is coming down. I love this for gold. Gold looks good.
You say sales incoming?
I think so. I like it. As long as I get a resistance here, like I said, a good resistance, and the 4 hour closes below this resistance too. I think the 4 hour makes a little top wick and then drops, creating a double top. So that's what I'm looking for. But yeah, it has to close below. Where's this high? It would have to close below 2808.
Yeah, that's what I got my resistance at.
But then, you see Ash's message. She said there's H4 divergence building up. I think if that happens, then we need a closure above on the 4 hour for the next one to come down. Do you know what I mean? Either way, I just need for me, I need a 30-minute resistance. That's it. Oh, GJ's breaking.
There was a little divergence going on.
Yeah, that's what she's saying.
Saying that we're higher than the previous resistance, but it's saying it's a lot lower.
Yep. I leave the divergence to Ash. Just let me know where it is that's happening, and then I can use my strategy to jump in the cells. But yeah, if it's there, then it just confirms.
Let's see what happens after this.
But then at the same time, I've seen gold create divergence and still just go up.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, that's why you need that good confirmation. You need that good confirmation.
I'm here on mute anyway, just watch it.
Yeah, man. GJ's the one pushing. 30-minute break in the high. There's still hope for pound yen. Just slowly. Slowly. Now gold is still... It would have been good if gold broke this previous low as well and created a resistance. Go on, GJ, you've broken the high. Keep pushing now. Would have been nice if it happened on the previous 15, but again, candles are still trending anyway, so it's a good look to keep pushing. It's broken all these wicks to the left. Go on, DJ, push. Come on, GJ, push. Alright, 8 minutes to the candles close. Gold saying I would love a gold pullback, but I'm not really betting much on it because it's just so bullish. You can give me a closure above. I think there'll be some sells later. This guy is not good. If the 4 hour close above resistance, gold will fly. I'm here for it. I'm here for it. That's what I want to see. I don't mind either way. Whatever the market decides to give me, that's what I'm taking. The crazy thing is there's so much news this week. So I wouldn't even be surprised if gold does push up a bit more today. And then we have like sells throughout the week. Because CB consumer confidence, is that what it is next? No, it's not. It's services PMI. Is that the first one? I know it's a PMI. So manufacturing PMI tomorrow. Oh wait, it's today. It's at 3 o'clock. Oh my god, there's news today. Ha! I completely missed that. Oh jeez. There is news today at 3 o'clock. Monday the 3rd. What the hell was I looking at yesterday? Damn, I did a whole week ahead analysis with the wrong information. So, manufacturing PMI today at 3. Then JOLTS tomorrow. ADP and services PMI on Wednesday. Unemployment claims on Thursday. And also Bank of England interest rates. So that'll be good for pound yen. See some movement there. And then NFP on Friday. So every day there's news on gold. Every day. Man. I was gonna close bullish, or potentially. You know what? Even though it's closing above, if it closes above the 4-hour resistance, it's setting up for 4-hour divergence, according to my peoples. But if it closes above this resistance, yeah, I want more buys. What happened with that game?
Boy, like a closure above, yeah?
Listen, I'm in.
Rejecting.
I'll be in if it holds. If it doesn't hold, I mean, yeah, if it closes above 10 pips, I don't think it's going to do it though. But I need a bearish candle. That's it. And right at the last minute, it decides to flip bullish. And pound yen pulling back. It's not looking wonderful. Okay, new 4-hour candle. So the 4 hours closed above.
Damn, gold kills that shit, eh?
Man.
Yeah, but I knew it was gonna have a hard time.
What, continuing up, pushing these rejection wicks to the left as well. Not looking good.
Yeah.
Yeah, I still won't get no sales until the next 30 minute now, which is annoying. Which is very annoying. GJ. This was a weak 30-minute candle. Not much movement. Yeah, nothing going on for me just yet. I might just leave it here. 2 o'clock. Gold needs a good bottom wick. It does need a good bottom wick. It's already broke the 4-hour high. Maybe if it retest this broken resistance, then flips back up. That'd be a nice setup on gold. Retest down here. Not break this previous low, then flip like these candles, and then push. But yeah, I don't see anything setting up. So I need a closure above resistance now for buyers, or a strong resistance formed for the sells. And on GJ, I'm just gonna wait for it to close above 19164. You know, pound yen's been moving very late into the session recently. Super late. Yeah, I'm gonna go get some food. I'm hungry. Guys, I'll be in the Discord. I'm gonna shut it off here.
Alright. See you outside.
Yeah, man.